Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.